How to set a login passcode for your PS5. So in case you have an account and you don't want other people to go on it, what we're going to do is simply go to settings on top. And then from settings, we're going to go to user accounts. From here, we're going to go down and you'll see login settings. Now this you want to turn on. It might be off. Turn that toggle on and then put require a PS5 login passcode. Now basically just set up your passcode. So I'm just going to put left, left, right, down, down, left, left, down, down. And now you will have a login passcode. Let's go ahead and test that out. We're going to go back. I'm going to go to this and let's go to switch users. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and let me reset and then show you guys. Okay, so I basically logged out and now I'm back here. So when I click on this, it requires the login passcode now. So, oh, that was the wrong one. What was it? Left, left, down, down. And now it's going to sign up. It's going to let me come back on the home screen. And I have successfully created a login passcode. Try that at home, and if it helps, please like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.